Yeah. Yeah, I just ate the cord. I think I just wet my pants. How? My body protector? I love you.
That sounded weird. Yes, I protect your body. And
I love you, Hal.
okay.
I love you so much.
Okay.
You are the best person in the whole entire world.
Even better than Mello?
No. Wait. Yes. No. Oh, crap.
So, is Hal better than Mello once you come out from behind the balloon? Is Hal better than
Hal is my bodyguard. Hal has to be better than Mello.
True.
Mello tries to kill me.
Well, actually, technically, he does kill you.
Hold on.
He, she, whatever you want to call Mello.
He does kill me, but he also tries to.
He tries to kill me, too.
I know that.
You sound like a chipmunk. Finish that thing so we can get the other one. What?
Helium rocks my... Oh, poopy. Helium rocks my socks. I love helium.